Chefs and restaurant owners are among the most sleep-deprived individuals. Not getting sufficient sleep that the body needs is actually harming not only the health, but also the performance of many chefs and restaurant owners, putting both their career and life at risk. Not longer sleep, but more deep sleep is the answer for sleep-deprived individuals. The solution is to enhance our quality of sleep, not quantity. Why is deep sleep so significant? Deep sleep is a premium, restorative sleep, the deepest stage of our sleep cycle, where the regenerative processes of our body are at its maximum. Deep sleep recharges our energy store, making us to wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and rejuvenated. More importantly, deep sleep is the only way the brain detoxifies itself. If we don't get enough deep sleep, our brain will not be able to release toxins and stress hormones from our system. The nature of stress is cumulative, meaning it keeps accumulating in our system over time. Deep sleep is one of the most powerful and natural ways to release stress hormones and brain toxins. All scientific and medical research on sleep are unanimously pointing to the same conclusion that deep sleep is the answer for our overall well-being, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Our brain works in terms of brain waves. Our wakeful states are related to gamma, beta, and alpha brain waves, while sleep is associated with theta and delta brain waves. And the solution to switching off the brain at bedtime and getting more deep sleep is to tune our brain waves to the right frequency, shifting it from an active state to the sleep state and then the deep sleep state. Is brainwave tuning possible? Yes. Meet SleepBliss, a deep sleep brainwave tuning technology. The first of its kind innovation, designed to do just this in the most natural, non-invasive, and non-electronic way. SleepBliss is a deep sleep aid mat embedded with deep sleep frequency or delta wave frequency of 3.4 Hz using proprietary frequency embedding technology. SleepBliss acts as a medium to store and emit the deep sleep frequency, just like a magnet stores and emits magnetism constantly. Using SleepBliss is very simple. Simply keep it underneath your pillow. When lying down, the brain is constantly being exposed to the deep sleep frequency. During this process, our brain is capturing the deep sleep frequency and brainwave tuning is happening naturally. As a result, the brain is gradually shifting from an active state to the sleep state. And once brainwave tuning is complete, a profound natural deep sleep is experienced. The effects of SleepBliss can be measured using a sleep tracking device. Most of our users are getting 20% to 30% deep sleep consistently every night. And some are getting even more. 20% to 30% is the ideal amount of deep sleep an individual needs to feel recharged and for our system to function well. The benefits of deep sleep are phenomenal. Deep sleep helps the regeneration of tissues, building bones and muscles, recharging energy stores, repairing body cells, strengthening the immune system, maintaining healthy heart and brain, improving memory and creativity, alleviating stress and depression, and promoting good mood. Deep sleep helps individuals to wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and rejuvenated. From sleep deprived to feeling fully recharged. It's possible with SleepBliss, deep sleep brainwave tuning technology. No side effects are experienced, as this is totally non-invasive and does not emit any electromagnetic radiation. Here are some reviews from our early users. SleepBliss, deep sleep brainwave tuning technology. Order yours today. Absolutely risk-free, with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Visit www.sleep-bliss.com.